MemeNgin is a programmable image editor that helps you build your own design templates for meme, GIFs, poster, and more. Let's learn about the basic elements of a MemeNgin. You can access other projects by pressing the Startup menu button on the top left. The menu bar below it consists of major functions such as saving and loading projects. The library menu on the left includes lists of nodes that are available in MemeNgin. The region in the center of the screen is where you design your project. You can bring nodes here from the library, then combine them to build your project. The top right is the preview menu, where you can preview the results. At the bottom right is the properties menu, where you can edit the properties of the selected node.